Welcome to Elsa's Kopje, part of the Elewana collection, a high-level luxury safari lodge out here in Meru National Park. But here's the cool part. This is not just a luxury lodge. This is actually the area where, as the name said it, Elsa, the famous lion from back in the 1960s and 70s, think Born Free, the famous book and movie. This is the land and the area where George and Joy Adamson brought forth their groundbreaking wildlife conservation practices. And this is an unbelievable, beautiful area to see the lions, the special Grevy's zebras, and reticulated giraffes. And for our stay, we're staying at the beautiful Elsa's Kopje. I'll be taking you on a tour to see the amazing safari suites, the honeymoon suites. Wait till you see the pool. It's phenomenal. So this is one of the honeymoon suites, and this is the private balcony, as you can see, with an not only incredible view, but a private view of the savannah right behind me. This could be one of your choices to stay when you come on a luxury safari with Tapestry of Africa Tours and Safaris.